Second graders, it is time for Number Corner. Number Corner is a time where we can talk about the calendar, and it's especially fun because all of our calendars, whether we're in August, September, October, all the way to May, they all have their own pattern. And I really like thinking about the different patterns because most months, if not all months, have at least two different patterns going on. So we did Number Corner the other day, and we're going to do Number Corner today. We've started talking about palmate leaves and pinnate leaves. If you remember, a palmate leaf would be like your palm. So if you look at your palm, there's tons of little creases. And so if I look now at my calendar, I'm going to blow it up. This would be an example of a palmate. There's a bunch of different, these are called veins, and they go all in all directions. There's not just one with little ones coming off of it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's little guys off of that. So that's called a palmate. And then a pinnate would be like our October 2nd card, where it almost looks like a feather. And it has a vein running down the middle with little guys coming out of that central vein. So palmate and pinnate. And that's one pattern that's going on. I'm also wondering if there might be a color pattern. But before we talk about it more, let's write today's date. Today is October 7th, so we need to flip over 2 cards today. So I'm going to get my writing out. I'm going to write it 2 ways, the formal way and then the abbreviated way. The formal way is the long way. So October, today's the 7th, 2020. And then my abbreviated way would be the number month. October is the 10th number month. So 10, the number day, 7-20. I'm going to make it black. All right. Here we go, and I'll move it down here. October has 31 days. And here we go. So far we've had a palmate, pinnate, pinnate, palmate, pinnate. So I've also noticed that there's a green, yellow, then a black and white, then an orange and a green. So I don't know about you, but I'm kind of bouncing around, like maybe there's a few possible patterns, but I'm not really sure what they are yet. Let's see. Palmate, pinnate, pinnate, palmate. Wait, palmate, pinnate, pinnate, palmate, pinnate. All right, so let's see if flipping over some more cards will help us solve this. All right, so I'm going to turn over yesterday's card, which was the 6th. Oh, another black and white. So wait, color, color, black and white. Color, color, black and white. Okay, so maybe that's one. Color, color, black and white. Color, color, black and white. Okay, now we'll do, and this looks like a palmate, right? There's a vein, but then these branch off, and then there's other guys coming off of it. And then today, okay. All right. So we have a green, a yellow, black and white, an orange, a green, a black and white, a green. Do you think that the 7th, October 7th card is a pinnate or a palmate? Remember, a palmate looks like a palm, and a pinnate looks more like a feather. I think it's a palmate. So I'm going to open up a text box because I feel like it might help us figure out some of these. Okay, so we have a palmate. I'm going to do palm and pin abbreviation or a short way. We have palmate, pinnate, pinnate, right? Palm, pin, palm, palm, pin, pin, palm, pin, palm, palm. Ooh. I am wondering, palm, pin, pin, palm, pin, palm, palm. I have a prediction. I think that it's going to be a pinnate card tomorrow. I'm not 100%. I'm going to move this over here. Okay, so that's one prediction. I'm also going to keep track of colors. I'm going to call this yellow, even though it's not as yellow as this. So I'm going to do a text box for that too. So we had green, yellow, black, and white. I'm doing the abbreviation. I'm going to, bear with me, write it in a different way. Okay, so green, yellow, black, and white. Yellow, green, black, and white. Green. Okay. And then tomorrow's card. So I'm going to move this over here. So I'm so far tracking 2 patterns. Palmate, pin, pin, palmate. Pin, palmate, palmate. I think it's going to be pin. And then based on the colors, green, yellow, black, and white. Yellow, green, black, and white. Green, I think we're going to be back at yellow. So I think it's going to be a yellow pinnate tomorrow. What do you guys think? All right, I can't wait to see.